Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft 365 Messaging Administrator role MS-203. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on MS-203 is: explain the process for setting up and managing shared mailboxes and resource mailboxes in Exchange Online for collaborative email communication and resource scheduling. Your answer should be: set up and manage shared mailboxes and resource mailboxes in Exchange Online by using the Exchange Admin Center or PowerShell to create shared mailboxes, assign permissions to users or groups, configure mailbox properties and settings, manage mailbox delegation and resource scheduling, and monitor mailbox uses and performance to ensure efficient and effective email communication and resource utilization. Our next interview question is: what role does Azure Active Directory Azure AD play in Microsoft 365 messaging administration, and how does it integrate with Exchange Online? Your answer should be: Azure Active Directory Azure AD is the cloud-based identity and access management service used to authenticate and authorize users for accessing Microsoft 365 services, including Exchange Online. Azure AD integrates seamlessly with Exchange Online to provide single sign-on SSO, user provisioning, and management, role-based access control RBAC, and security features such as conditional access and multi-factor authentication MFA. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of journaling in Exchange Online and how it is used for compliance, e-discovery, and record-keeping purposes. Your answer should be: journaling in Exchange Online is the process of capturing copies of all email communications and storing them in a separate journaling mailbox or third-party archiving solution. Journaling ensures compliance with regulatory requirements by preserving email data for auditing, e-discovery, and record-keeping purposes, allowing administrators to search and retrieve journaled emails as needed for compliance investigations or legal hold requirements. Our next interview question is: how do you configure email archiving and retention policies in Exchange Online for compliance with regulatory requirements and organizational policies? Your answer should be: configure email archiving and retention policies in Exchange Online by creating retention tags and policies to specify how long email data should be retained, whether it should be moved to the archive, and what actions should be taken upon expiration. Use journaling to capture copies of all email communications for compliance purposes and regularly review and update policies to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and organizational policies. Our next interview question is: explain the process for configuring message tracking and delivery reports in Exchange Online to monitor email traffic and troubleshoot mail delivery issue. Your answer should be: configure message tracking and delivery reports in Exchange Online by using the Exchange Admin Center to access message trace and mail flow reports, specifying search criteria such as sender, recipient, message subject, and delivery status, and analyzing message tracking logs to monitor email traffic, identify delivery delays or failures, and troubleshoot mail delivery issues to ensure timely and reliable email communication. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.